To see the power of the playbook, when an application is minimized as it is here, there's no need to close it down by hitting the X. You can simply open up a second application by going into our Bridge browser. It's the Bridge browser that is actually going to take us to our CRM and other ways of getting into the intranet. But before we go there, this is a good screenshot to show you that there's actually two browsers. Note that this is the World Wide Web browser and this is the Bridge browser. It's the World Wide Web, which we'll go to right now, that will take you to any website that is basically on the World Wide Web, anything that's www. In this case, we already have some bookmarks that are there for your use. We can go ahead by tapping on the address bar and opening up the keyboard. We can go to Fleet Pride by simply typing www.fleetpride, FLEETPRIDE, and then there's a nice .com button right here, and hitting the go button will take you right to the Fleet Pride website. Now, once you have a website open that you think you're going to frequently visit, I would say go ahead and hit the star plus, which will save it as a bookmark. Add to bookmarks, by tapping on that, it will flash twice, indicating that it has actually been saved as a bookmark. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to leave these two open. Actually, I'll close the browser. And when we open the browser again, now within our bookmarks should be the Fleet Pride website, which it is here. So by tapping on that, will now take you directly to the Fleet Pride website as a bookmark without having to type it in over and over again. Very good feature to have, the star plus. Also, if you want to get back to any other favorite, it would simply be the gold star, and that will take you back to all of your bookmarks. Again, we'll just minimize this. This is the regular browser that we're minimizing, and we want to actually go now to the Bridge browser indicated here. When we tap on the Bridge browser, it's this browser that we're going to actually use to get to CRM and our intranet sites. So by doing that, again, we want to type on the address bar, and that will open up your keypad. To get to the intranet site, to do that, we're going to use http:// which is found next to the space bar, // Fleetpride, FLEETPRIDE. Now, please double check to make sure that the address is in fact correct up there, and this will help take you. Also, the only way you can get to the intranet site is by being bridged with your BlackBerry. Okay? Once you're there, go ahead and select the Go button, and this will take you to the Fleet Pride intranet site. Once the intranet site for Fleet Pride homepage actually opens and loads 100%, wait for the blue bar to come all the way across. It's at that time where you can go ahead and bookmark that again by hitting the star plus key. It'll say add to bookmarks. Watch for the double flash, indicating that that bookmark has now been saved. Great. Now that we have that saved as a bookmark, let's go ahead and select the department and open up Information Technology by tapping on Information Technology and hitting the OK button. Once this department loads 100%, again, you can go ahead and add it as a bookmark by simply hitting Add to Bookmarks. Wait for the double flash, and now you're at Information Technology screen. From here, we can go directly to Application CRM by tapping on that, and this will bring you to the login page for the CRM application. Once you're here, please be sure to go ahead and bookmark that. Again, same thing, typing on the star plus, add to bookmarks, and it's in. Let's double check to make sure. We're going to go ahead and swipe up and actually close out the Bridge browser at this time. So when we open up the Bridge browser fully again, we should have all of these bookmarks in there that we just set up. Let's see. And we do. Here is the CRM. Here is Information Technology, and here is the regular intranet, as well as the bookmarks that were already installed on your Playbook. So in the morning when you start up and you're successfully bridged, you will just go ahead and tap on your CRM login, and it will take you directly to CRM. From here, you can simply log in and hit go. And this will bring you right into CRM. The nice thing about CRM, when you're in there, I'm going to select the salesperson real quick. Once you're in actual CRM, you can double tap on the screen to increase the size of it or double tap to shrink the size of it. Now that we're logged into CRM on your Playbook, you can simply double tap on the inside of the CRM itself to expand the screen to improve the size of what you're looking at, or double tap again and it will quickly shrink it. Another way that you can enlarge a screen is by using your two fingers and pulling them apart or pinching them together. So simply pulling them apart will enlarge the screen and you can move it around wherever you like, or shrinking it down by pinching your fingers together is another easy way to use it. I prefer the double tap. It seems to work very, very well on this particular unit.